do you have this in your Camaro? You want to take it apart? I'm going to show you my experience, how I was able to do this. So basically, if you want to take this apart for some reason, in the beginning I was thinking maybe I can solder some wires here and add the LED light, but I found out that it's possible to get the LED light for this. So I'm going to put it together. So as you can see here, you have this locking mechanism. So basically all you have to do in order to take it apart is just lift this up, lift this up as well, this wing, and that's it. So now if you have to take this out of this, so it's very easy. So I'm going to show you. Basically you have to turn it in order to install it, and also this you have this that it will not allow you to move this out if you have this in place. So I'm going to show you. For instance, this goes here. So if you have it like that, you see it goes. Alright, so once you have it in place, as you can see here, all you have to do is put the other plastic on top of it. But if you have this plastic here, you see, you will not be able to remove it. So basically, in order to remove this, you have to push this locking mechanism that you have over there. So that way it will be, you're going to be able to pull it out. Later you will have to lift it a little bit because it will not go back in place. Anyway, it's going to stay like this, so it's not going to go anywhere. Alright, so once you have this in place, all you have to do is put the other piece back. As you can see here, it goes in one way. So if you want to put it, you know, the other way around or something like that, it's not going to work. So basically you have these flaps here and here in the other side, and there you go. Now it's in place and it will work, as you can see. So now I'll be waiting for the light bulb to come back or to come. I just ordered it online and that's it. And if you want to take put this back the way it was, just by pressure, and that's it. So if you have to pull it like this, and that's it. So basically you take this out, and then you have to push this down, lift this out of the way, and then you're going to be able to twist it, and that's it. So as usual, I am in US. If you need tools, electronics, or anything like that, just let me know. I can ship it to you. Otherwise, I'll try to leave in the video description if I can find this, or if you need anything else. And so that way you can buy yourself. Thank you for watching. See you next time.